Find x using completing the square in quadratic equation, x squared minus 2x equals 8. So, x squared minus 2x plus, magpa-plus tayo, i-complete natin yung x squared minus 2x. So, paano? Divided by 2 yung 2x, yung 2. Then, that is 1. 1 is squared is 1. So, 8 plus 1 din sa kabila. So, factor siya, perfect square trinomial, that is x minus 1 squared equals 8 plus 1 is 9. Then, para mawala yung squared, i-take the square root natin both side. So, x minus 1 na lang matitira. Then, square root of 9 is positive or negative 3. Then, x is equals to positive negative 3 plus 1. Then, for x sub 1, we get the positive x3 plus 1 is 4. So, x sub 1 is 4. Then, x sub 2, the negative 1. So, negative 3 plus 1, that is negative 2. Please follow for more.